Hi everybody, Master Kelly. Hope you guys are having a great day. I just want to give you guys some updates. First of all, if you guys like the Blessed Takayama videos that I've been putting out, the class video of the youth group, I'll be putting those out every single month. That's a class that I'm holding at my martial arts school, which by the way, if you happen to be local to the Dallas, Texas area, that's actually where I live. I live around that area. Just send me an email, and if you have a boy age 10 and up that would like to join, just send me an email. Now also, if you happen to live in a different part of the country, I do travel to parishes every once in a while and do a class, so if that's also something you might be thinking about, just let me know as well. You can just send me an email. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick update about the websites. So you probably noticed that dojogohomeschool.com and dojogotv.com are no longer working. The reason why I had to shut down those websites, unfortunately, because it was a lot of costs to maintain. And without getting all technical about it, basically the amount of interest I was getting in the courses is way lower than it used to be, right? Which means it didn't make sense for me to do that. So I shut down the websites. However, I still have my courses available. I have a link down below where it gives you access to a YouTube playlist where you can still watch those courses I have. Now, to give you guys a life update, my wife, after wanting to have kids for a while, we're having two boys. Yes, two. We're having twin boys in the next month or so. So maybe I'll do a video with them when they're a little older. Maybe when they're a little older, they can do some karate lessons, and we'll bring it back. But I just want to give you guys that update. Now, I also want to ask everyone's feedback for this, and I believe I made this video open for comments as well. I'm thinking about doing a weekly kind of Zoom class, not a martial art class, but like a rosary and a Bible study, kind of like similar to how I did with the Blessed Takayama group. It's a free group, a free online Zoom class. If that's something you guys want to do, just comment down below and I can set up a link for it. We can start that as soon as possible, just for a way for us to stay connected, because I know I've gotten a lot of emails from kids and from parents telling me how they miss seeing me on Zoom, they miss seeing the videos, the new videos I put out. So I just wanted to have a way to connect with you guys, and I know that a lot of you all shared with me how my videos have affected your kids, not only discovering martial arts but also their faith as well. And to me, that's just, I'm truly humbled by that, the fact that God is using me in that way. So I just wanted to express my gratitude for you guys, and also let you know that I could do a Zoom kind of catechism class on different weeks. So if you are interested in that, just comment down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and God bless.